So now it's time for the birds, and I love putting birds on the tree because, again, I'm not using any traditional ornaments. And the birds are beautiful, but they don't block the light. So when it's the only thing on in the room, it's absolutely gorgeous. I have a lot of different kinds of birds. These I did last year. You might remember. I did some of these, some of these. I have a few of these. I have some of this, I have some of this, you get the idea. So I have a lot of different kinds of birds, and kind of depending on the length of their tail is how I arrange them. So I put one at the top, and you can see that one there, and then I'll just start kind of tucking them around. But that one's at the top, it has a nice long tail, so I put another long tail here, even though that one is a little bit different. Isn't that pretty? I love that guy. If I wanted to put something here, I would put something smaller. So maybe I would get this little guy and put him here. I have to put him up a little higher so he doesn't fall. You got to think of the weight of the bird. Okay, I'll have to arrange him a little bit later because he's at the wrong angle. But you can see that what you want is to give a visual flow to the tree with everything balanced but scattered from the top to the bottom. It'll take me a while, so I'll show it to you when I'm done.